Turning a £600 order into a £120,000 one could seem like a mighty fight, but with Quest, all it takes is a few simple questions. Quest is divided into 3 different solution areas: information management, platform management, and data protection including KACE. We're going to take you through the Quest portfolio, starting with the request of a very popular product through to the whole range that Quest can offer. And it all starts with a Toad. Toad, Quest's application development tool, sits under their information management solution area. It is mainly known for working with Oracle as the back-end database. Toad Base starts at around £600. It is the leading application development tool and we see daily sales in the UK. Your key question as a reseller is to ask whether the end user is looking to do some degree of code checking and code optimization. So they're writing an application using an Oracle backend and they are looking to check the code that they are writing. If they do, then it's a Toad Expert requirement. Expert will almost triple the revenue that you can make on Toad. If, however, the customer is using multiple databases, for example Oracle to SQL Server or Oracle to Sybase, then you need to begin looking at a multi-database Toad license. The number here is 10 times the overall revenue that you can make just by asking some really simple questions, code checking and multiple databases. Quest Information Management will then allow you to have additional conversations around their further tools. So you're running Oracle and Sybase and SQL, maybe some Hadoop or MySQL. They are database platforms sitting on a network. If you're running a multi-database tool in those platforms, then you will want some degree of checking how those platforms are working and what the issues are with those platforms. This is where Quest Spotlight and Quest Foglight come into the mix. Spotlight will allow you to identify any issues within a specific database instance. Foglight will enable you to check any issues within the network that connects your databases together. These two tools, and Toad, make up 90% of information management tools. One product which stands alone is SharePlex. If you're running an Oracle instance and you want to make changes within the Oracle instance, how do you do that? You can replicate your database, make changes in a non-live environment, and then pump it back into a live environment. We use SharePlex to check, re-engineer, and allow it to rework. To move into Quest's second solution area, then you only need to ask one question. Within your infrastructure of applications, are you running Active Directory, Azure AD, or Exchange on your network? If the answer is yes, then Quest's platform management tools are your next step. Active Directory is a cornerstone of any business. If your Active Directory doesn't work, nothing else will work as it's connected to your access rights within this environment. Active Directory will also link directly to Azure AD, and Azure AD is a separate instance to your on-prem Active Directory. Quest On Demand allows you to identify and manage your Azure instance as well as your on-prem instance of Active Directory. These products will also help your customers meet GDPR and be a risk-compliant end user. So, who is able to access what in your network? Find out using active roles. Then there's auditing, the age-old who, what, why, when, where. Who's made the change? What device did they make the change from? Why have they made the change? When did they make the change? Recommend Change Auditor. And if something has happened in your Active Directory and you want to recover it, use Recovery Manager to go back to a certain place in time and start again. Now let's not forget Exchange. Active Directory and Exchange are fundamentally linked. One doesn't work without the other. Old versions of Exchange are unsecure and unsupported, and if you're working on Windows 10, you will want the latest patch or update. You will be unable to do it unless you're running the latest version of both Exchange and Active Directory. Quest has a number of tools that allow you to migrate from older versions to new versions with ease. Migration Manager for Active Directory, Migration Manager for Exchange, and On-Demand Migrator. Now we want to ensure everything we have just been through is protected. This takes us to the final solution area of Quest's business, data protection, including KACE. It encompasses all the products and problems we have already been over, but from a security perspective. If you wanted to repurpose a PC for a member of staff, how would you mirror it and make it look and feel the same? Desktop Authority will allow you to do that, as well as KACE. They both secure what a PC user would see and use. They provide the same applications to users as the information and platform management desktop tools, offering specific access to applications at job role level. Quest's core store supports the backup of every data piece that you hold on a day-to-day basis and deduplicates it. So you are saving it into a secure secondary storage location, and it gives you everything that has happened in that day, deduping it, making it smaller, and allowing you to save to it quickly and securely. Other backup tools include NetVault, Rapid Recovery, and vRanger. To summarise, by asking the right questions alongside your Toad-based quote, you have the potential to go from a £600 sale to a £120,000 sale. The upsell questions you need to remember are: are you looking to check the code you're writing? Are you running multi-databases? What are your plans for Azure and Office 365? Are you looking to audit the change and recover? Do you want to check who had access to what and when? Are you planning a migration? Do you want to protect everything within your environment? As a Quest reseller, there are 10 points to be made across each solution. Deal registration is also available. Accreditation and exams are also there for you to take, enabling you to make more money. Up to 40 points are available through Sigma and Quest. For further information on Quest and the products we've gone over today, contact your Sigma account manager on 01364 655 155.